sitting comfortably. Take a moment to let go of any tightness or tension in your face and relax your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Allow your neck and shoulders to soften and relax. Feel your arms becoming relaxed and let your hands rest comfortably. Allow your back to release any tension, letting your hips sink into the surface beneath you. And feel your hips, thighs, knees, and calves are becoming relaxed. Relaxing your feet, releasing any remaining tension. Now, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a serene beach. Feel the soft, warm sand beneath your feet. Watching the ocean waves gently rolling onto the shore. As each wave rolls out, imagine it carrying away any stress or worries you may have. Let go of these burdens, allowing them to be taken away by the ocean. Feel each incoming wave bringing in a sense of calm and relaxation. As the wave comes in, breathe in deeply. As the wave rolls out, breathe out slowly. as you breathe deeply and slowly and experience yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Savouring this sense of deep relaxation, knowing that you can return to this state of relaxation anytime you need to. Slowly bring your attention back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes if they're closed. Om Shanti. Om means I am. Shanti means a being of peace. Thank you.